Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and if you're using one of the current versions of the Apple Watch, you've probably found that if you look down at the watch that the display is always on. Now, how do you turn that off? How do you turn off the Apple Watch's always on display, and why might one want to turn it off? Well, since the Apple Watch is battery powered, it only makes sense to me that I don't want something continuously running. You know, the same would be true for a flashlight or any other sort of electronic device. Why would someone want to continuously run something if they could set it to where it only activates? In the case of the Apple Watch, see, I've got when I hold my wrist down and then I bring it up and look at the watch, it turns on, but then it'll turn off. So it's not always on. So it's actually really simple to do. So what you're going to do from your iPhone is go into the and I'm going to flash this up here on the screen so y'all can see exactly what I am doing step by step. So go into your watch app, and then once you're in your watch app, you'll scroll down to where it says display and brightness. Once you're in display and brightness, you can see the second option, always on. I've got it set to off. So just to demonstrate, that would be on, so it would never go off if it says always on. But click it again where that's not green, and now you'll see it's off. And you can confirm that the setting took place because when you look at your Apple Watch, if you previously had it as Apple Watch always on display, which is probably what it probably is by default, you would notice that it was staying on, but after you set that to off, it should go off. Now, there are some other settings in here towards the bottom. The wake, what I would recommend doing, see where it says wake on wrist raise, that's what I would do. And then I would also keep the wake on crown up. That's completely optional, but I chose those. And then if you click wake duration, how long do you want it to stay awake, 15 seconds or 70 seconds? Well, I chose 15 seconds. Why did I choose 15 seconds? Well, I want to maximize my battery life. I mean, this Apple Watch is a very small and very lightweight device, and it doesn't have a big battery, which begs the question, topic for another video, why doesn't Apple or a third party release a strap for the Apple Watch that could be worn during the sunlight that has little bitty foldable solar panels on it? Because imagine if you were wearing it outdoors, if you had solar panels, in essence, the Apple Watch could continuously trickle charge itself. Why haven't they done that? I don't know. But anyway, that is how to turn off the Apple Watch always on display. Hope this video helps. And also, I hope that if you turn it off, that you may notice better battery life from your Apple Watch. Because when it's running Apple Watch always on display, that's just sucking up that battery life, bro. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.